Hi, everybody, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the latest analysis on all your favorite cryptocurrencies. And today we would be looking at YFI or yearn finance. We are on the 3 days time frame, and I would be showing you something shocking we have discovered even on the chart for YFI. So sit back and relax and let us move into the video. As you can see, the indicator on my screen is what we call the Dosian channel. And what the Dosian channel helps to do is to helps you recognize, right, tops and bottoms right down even on the chart in the medium to long term. And as you can see right down here, if you just bought every single time the Dosian channel touched the top, right, as you can see, you would have sold, right, every single time the Dosian channel touched the bottom. If you had bought, you would have seen the bounce. As you can see, we touched the bottom, we saw a bounce, we touched the bottom, we saw a bounce. So every single time on the Dosian channel, we have seen, right, a touch of this bottom. Those has been the best time to buy, as we have seen a bounce even to the upside, even for the price of YFI. Do not take my word for it. Also, if we look at the stochastic, right, if you had just every single time the stochastic was at the oversold levels, you bought, and at the, oversold levels you bought, and at the overbought levels you sold, you would have, right, made a lot of money right down even here on YFI. As you can see at the moment, right, if you had bought just YFI at this oversold level, you would have been up a whopping how many percent? You would have been up 123%. As you can see, the same thing happened here, right? If you had bought right down at this oversold level, you would have seen another push even to the upside. And as you can see, currently, as you can see, we are about to push to the upside. As you can see, the stochastic is at the minus, right? As you can see in the minus in the history, right? We haven't seen, right, just anywhere, right? As you can see, we haven't seen in the history where the stochastic was at the minus. So this is the lowest you can get right down even on the stochastic, even for the price of YFI. As we can see right now, we should be expecting a very, very huge push to the upside in the medium to long term, even for the price of YFI. As you can see, all our analysis, right, all our indicators telling us, right, this is the bottom, or this is the range of the bottom, as we should be expecting one more push to the upside. Also, if we look at the RSI, as you can see, the RSI at very, very, very low levels. As you can see, this is forming some sort of hidden bullish divergence, as you can see right here, right? This is what we call a hidden bullish divergence, and this is a very, very, very bullish pattern, right? As we could see price reverse even to the upside in the medium to long term, right? So as you can see, tell me in the comment section, are you buying, are you accumulating even more YFI, as we could see a very, very huge push to the upside like we saw right down here at this end, right? So we could see a huge push to the upside. So tell me in the comment section, are you accumulating even more YFI at these prices, right? If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.